So you needed a door. Well, you came to the right place. Let's walk through the different doors that come with this asset. There are hinge doors. You'll notice when they get to the end there, they sway a bit, and you can change that within the script. There are swipe doors that swipe open. Then there are waypoint doors, so each door here piece is going to a waypoint. And everything is based off of player distance. So as the player gets closer to the door, it will activate it. This can also be turned off, and you can use a trigger and to open the door. And you can also do fun things like this too, where you have little barricades you can break down. Whee! And that's basically it for that. And now I can show you a little bit more here inside here. So this is the script over here. So it's one script and it can do all these different things. Basically, you set it up to what your player is. I'm currently using the FPS controller that comes within Unity. And then you set the type of door you want. You can have a moved waypoint, which way the hinge goes, or which way it swipes. The waypoint here is where you would set, for instance, these doors back here. You'll see that these yellow dots, those are the waypoints. So that waypoint is related to this door, and you'll see here in the waypoint section that it's set into there. Now you also have this activate trigger, which is nice. So say for instance I want all of these doors to work together. They can all point to the same trigger, and that will be the one that determines the distance. So it works out pretty nice if you want to do a lot of things at once. Now you can show the open range and the close range inside of the scene. You can also see the waypoints. When they are put into the waypoint piece here, they'll get a yellow sphere so you can find it and know where it is. Now there's also a few other things. So if you're using a swipe door, you'll have a swipe distance, and this will determine how far the door will swipe. You can change the movement speed, and then you can also play with if you're using a hinge door, you can adjust the amount of the angle of the door that the door will open. And then down here you also have a thing called a sway buffer, and that's, for instance, on that first door that I showed you when we started here over here. You'll see when I hit play that there's a little bit of sway there on the end. So you can adjust all of that stuff right directly in the script. And you also have the option to have a set of sounds for when the door opens and shuts, and it'll play one of the sounds from the set randomly, so that way you get a nice differentiation between doors. Now that's basically it. It comes with this fence that's already set up to have its pivot point on the end here, so you can get a nice hinge door. But I mean, this will work with anything. You can just use a Unity cube and adjust the size. Well, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.